Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a logo in Canva in 2026. Whether you're designing a logo for your business, YouTube channel, website, or personal brand, Canva makes the process simple and professional. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Sign in to your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click the search bar at the top and type logo. From the search results, select logo to open a new logo design. You can start with a blank canvas or choose one of the many professionally designed logo templates. After the editor opens, browse the templates on the left side and click on any design you like. The selected template will appear on the canvas. Now customize your logo. Click on the text to change the business name, brand name, or slogan. You can edit the font, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. To make your logo unique, open the Elements section and add icons, shapes, lines, or graphics. You can also upload your own images by clicking Uploads if needed. If you want to change the background, click the background area and choose a new color. For a transparent logo, select Download Later and enable the transparent background option if you have Canva Pro. You can resize and reposition every element by dragging the corners or moving objects around the canvas until you're happy with the final design. Canva automatically saves your work while you edit, so you don't need to save it manually. When your logo is finished, click the Share button if you want to collaborate with others. To save your logo, click Download. Choose a file format such as PNG, JPG, PDF, or SVG if it's available with your plan, then click Download. That's it. You've successfully created a logo in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.